not supposed to own no King of Dancehall without no Grammy under them name. We are sent back for that Ross. Carry back go give Beenie Man. What do you mean? Bro, that man need to care about the crown, go give Beenie Man, because at least Beenie Man have a Grammy, bro. So how comes you give the man king and the man can't even get a Grammy, my youth? Yeah, you're gonna say it right now. If Kartel continue upon that trend of God is the greatest and switch it up, dog, Kartel can shoot for a Grammy. But since Kartel come from prison, Kartel is not doing any song with substance. The biggest song with Kartel do for him come from prison is God is the greatest. That's it. With a little substance. Bro, tell
they are not dancehall artists, bro. So you see, an idea, bro. Everybody I talk about Kartel is, bro, Kartel now kill up himself about the Grammy because Kartel understand how the thing go. Me not say if he win, he not go happy, you know. But an idea, him himself know say when you upload your music, whether it is dancehall or it is pop dancehall or it is reggae dancehall, it will go under reggae.
But don't he get 2 nominations?
Yeah.
Throughout him career. That's what I want to hear. I'm going to say it again. All of the greats them we ever mentioned in a dancehall and him can get king. Bro, carry back the crown, go give Beenie Man. Carry back. Brother, every greats have a Grammy under them name. And if you can't have one, carry back the crown, go give Beenie Man.